Ali's room. Welcome to Ali's room. Today is day 30 of Vlogtober, and today we're going to the park.
Ali's room. I'm taking your picture, you're taking mine.
See that map? It's on the bridge.
That's pretty awesome. So we can know where we are.
Over here.
Whoa.
Are you ready?
Oh my goodness, he's hiding behind the tree.
Let's go over there.
You don't know what could be here. You know what could be here? It could be sounds here. I need to record it. Oh my god, Amy, don't say that. You found a leaf? What kind of leaf? That's pretty. You guys hear that?
No.
The bird is telling something. Look at these berries, guys. But they're not for us to eat. They're for birds.
And bears.
Bears too. Little bridge. Another markings on the trees. Are we gonna go up the hill?
Yeah. There's a tree farm. Tree farm. What? Tree farm.
They're going up? Are you guys real? You're gonna go up? Alright. You know what would help? If you got a walking stick. Oh, that's pretty big. Yeah, that would work. Definitely.
I want someone to hold me.
Okay, Daddy will hold you.
I don't have a good stick.
Oh my gosh, Amy's doing it. Whoa, Amy's almost on the top. Good job, Amy. 1, 2, 3.
Hopefully we should come.
Giant walking stick. Look, Amy's almost on top. How does it look from there? It's beautiful. Look it down, guys. Oh my god, this is crazy. I can't believe we're doing this. Look how steep it is. Amy, how did you get there so fast? You're crazy, kid. This is how much we climbed, guys. It is insane. My goodness. Whew. This was very adventurous and tiring, but it's pretty awesome. We've never done anything like this before.
Walking stick with me.
I mean, I have, but they haven't. Pretty awesome. We're like in the middle of nowhere. There's all trees around us. Oh my goodness, there's a zombie in the woods. I didn't know there's walkers here. What is going on here? What? Ah, little girl, there's a zombie too. move on. This is Sandy Road. Sandy.
Sandy Beach. Sandy Cheeks.
Pretty fun, guys. It's all nature all around us. We're exploring, and they're way ahead of me, but we played zombies and cool stuff like that. So it's pretty cool park. I like it. There's no wind at all. It's a beautiful day, so we're having family fun. All right, see you guys later. You're an old granny. Hi, old Granny Allie. Ooh, Bubba found a bench. Nice. They thought about people they want to rest. It's a trail. We don't know where we're going. Where does it lead? Where they went. Jeez, they were just here a second ago. Oh my god, you guys are crazy! I was like, they can't walk that fast! Pretty cool, guys.
Doesn't this look like a chicken leg?
Ew, yes. What is that green stuff? It looks like slime.
It is slime. But it's not actually moss.
Look at the reflection of the trees. Reflection. Wow. That was pretty far. What are you supposed to be? Let me see. Oh my gosh. We have monkeys. Monkeys. Hello, monkey. Going to Museum of Nature. Nature Museum. Very exciting because this house looks pretty old. Oh look, museum entrance. This tree is pretty spooky and those flowers look weird. Goes. Puppet theater. All right, we're gonna sit and watch the show, guys. Come on.
Oh, worms. Oh my god! Snake! I see snake. Don't open this up.
Wow! Look at this fireplace. And Mr. Duck.
Actually, all the aquariums.
Hey, the hallway. What's in there?
That's a fish.
Oh my goodness! Look at
They
this thing.
killed and then they thick ink in his mouth.
Whoa! Check it out. It's like a country style house. Like a grandma's house.
Yes, I like it. I want to live here. I want red.
It's pretty neat.
I wish there was a kitchen in here. Mama, I'm going to have orange milk.
Alright, you guys do some coloring.
Yellow.
And then we're gonna get going. Alright, Amy's playing puppet show.
Yeah! I want to build something.
Just one.
Yeah, I'll take yellow.
Wow.
Sand.
Look, this is the park.